Enough of them not like it.
Tony Montana, because
God's child earth.
yeah, man, that's Sista Sasha.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Yeah. Me now weigh down me brain with no stress. From me rise with the sun, me know me bless. Me just a coast and go through, and me know what we do at the end of the day. God a you. Me nah part with no pagan, cause the whole of them in a quicksand. Me nah go eat, nah drink, or go a them yard. Fire burn them one by one. Cause we a clean house, sweep house. The devil and them friend them off to leave out. Yes, we are sweep house, clean house. The liar and the wicked have to leave out. Yes, we are clean house, sweep house. The devil and them friend them off to leave out. So we are sweep house, clean house. The liar and the wicked have to leave out. For them a follower, how them walk on Kalawa. Tell them to me Salawa, my God Palawa. Make them go pre that, militant or me that. Crab in a barrel, we no need that. Lord, protect me please one more time. Help me fight this battle. I need you by my side. And I say, Father, Lord have mercy on me. Help me fight this battle. I'm down on my knees. My God, better than you, madder than you, tougher than you, rougher than you. You can't touch this, my God, I bust this. I no remote this, you can't control it. Cause we are clean house, sweep house. The devil and them friend them off to leave out. Yes, we are sweep house, clean house. The liar and the wicked have to leave out. Yes, we are clean house, sweep house. The devil and them friend them off to leave out. So we are sweep house, clean house. The liar and the wicked have to leave out. Me now weigh down me brain with no stress. From me rise with the sun, me know me bless. Me just a hope and go through, cause me know what we do at the end of the day. God a you. Me nah part with no pagan, cause the whole of them in a quicksand. Me nah go eat, nah drink, or go a them yard. Fire burn them one by one. Lord, protect me please one more time. Help me fight this battle. I need you by my side. And I say, Father, Lord have mercy on me. Help me fight this battle. I'm down on my knees. No for them a follower, how them walk on Kalawa. Tell them to me Salawa, my God Palawa. Make them go pre that, militant or me that. Crab in a barrel, we no need that. Lord, protect me please one more time. Help me fight this battle. I need you by my side. And I say, Father, Lord have mercy on me. Help me fight this battle. I'm down on my